Hello everyone. Today I am going to show you the concept of how to calculate percentage. We know what does percentage mean. Percentage is basically something we have to find out in terms of 100. For example, I will show you some of the examples and the concept of percentage. Then I will show you today some simple examples of percentage calculation for many of the problems that we encounter. For example, a student has got 70 out of 80 in mathematics. Okay. For example, a student has got 70 out of 80. That means the total marks of examination is 80. He has got mark 70 in 80. Then if my question is what is his percentage of marks, that means that we have to find out how the student performed in 100 marks. That means out of 80, that is the total marks of examination was 80, he has got 70 on top of that 80 marks. So percentage will give us an indication that what will be his performance in 100. So that means that if the total marks is 100, then how much or what percentage he has got out of 100 in that same examination. So how we calculate this thing today, that I will show you. So basically the problem is very simple. We have to calculate it this way. The total marks is 80. He has got 70. So in 80, that is out of 80 he has got 70. So in 1 he has got 70 by 80. Simple unitary method. What is that? Out of 80 he has got 70. So out of 1 what he has got? It is 70 by 80. So out of 100 what he has got? It is very simple. By unitary method we know it is 70 by 80 into 100. That will be the percentage what he has got in this exam. What is that? If we just simplify, then it will be 700 by 8. That means 87.5. So in our case, the percentage of marks what he has obtained for this specific sum or specific exam is 87.5%. For every problem we encounter regarding percentage, we have to find out what we have received or what we are going to calculate out of 100. I will explain the percentage concept using some examples now. For example, if an employee's salary in a company, if an employee's salary in a company gets higher by 20%, and then again it decreases by 20%, then what will be the change in his salary by percent? Change means it can be an increase, it can be a decrease, but what will be that change in positive side or negative side, that we have to calculate. Let the employee salary be X. We are assuming the employee salary equal to X. Now it has increased first by 20%. How to calculate that? So X means the original salary. It is original salary. Now what is increased salary? It is 20% on top of X. That means original will be there X plus there will be an additional hike of 20%. That means x into 20 by 100. 20% means 20 into 20 divided by 100 into x. That is the 20% of x. What is that? Simply it will be x plus x by 5. That means 6x by 5. Right? Now this is the increased salary. Now if we are to calculate again a decrease of 20%, but in terms of the new salary, not in terms of the old salary. So the decrease now will be happening on the base of 6x by 5, which is the present salary after increase. Now if we are going to calculate that, so now present salary is 6x by 5. Again there is a decrement. So decrement means there is a decrease. So we have to subtract 20% of 6x by 5 from 6x by 5, right? Now the current salary is 6x by 5, that is the base. On top of that 20% decrement is there. So it is simply 1 by 5. So if we take 6x by 5 common, then it is 1 minus 1 by 5. That is 6x by 5 into 4 by 5. That is 24x by 25 is the decreased salary. Correct? So there are two cases here. One is the increment of 20%. We have calculated that after incrementing the salary became 6x by 5. Again there is a decrement on top of the increased salary. So now the salary has become 24x by 5 after decreasing on the increased salary. So finally we have to calculate here what will be the actual change of salary of the employee. Now we have assumed in the initial section that the salary of the employee was x. Now it has been transformed to 24x by 5. Now you can clearly understand that this is a fraction and 24 is less than 25. So obviously x is greater than 24x by 25. Correct? Very much clear. Because this is a proper fraction and denominator is high. That means 24 is lesser than 25. So x is greater than 24x by 25. That means there is a decrement of salary of the employee. So finally there is a decrement of salary of employee. So what is the decrement? That is the previous salary initial that we assumed minus current salary. That is the decrement of the salary, which is nothing but 25x minus 24x, that is x by 25. So previously at the beginning the salary of the employee was x. Now it has been decreased to 24x by 25. That means it has decreased by x by 25. So what is the percentage of decrement that we have to calculate? So if we are to calculate this, then I will write on x, the decrement is x by 25. So on 1, by unitary method, it is x by 25 into 1 by x. So on 100, percentage means the decrement we have to calculate over 100, that is x by 25x into 100. What is that? Xx goes off, 25 into 4. That means 4%. So finally, after this 20% increase and after that 20% decrease, finally the initial salary has been decreased by 4%. Okay, so this is a very simple example of percentage calculation for this type of problems. In the next video I will show you some of the more examples of percentage calculation. If you like this video, I will request everyone to watch my video. and like and subscribe my channel as well. Thank you.